Hi, so I will be unboxing this Buzzsaw animatronic that I just got from Spear Halloween, and I am super excited to unbox it with you. So, here we go. Here's the foam pole, foam thing, and clothing. It must all be one piece. Another foam one. Then we have arm pieces. They're heavy for some reason. Wow. Look at how thick these are. Wow. And then, oh, here's a boot. I think I can pull this out. These look similar to grave diggers. I'm not sure. And then, the head. I'm gonna look at this. Oh, wow. Put this thing right here. Okay, now instructions, and then the hoop holes. These are a big deal with this problem. 2 of them. I think I can take the poles out. Oh, if I can. Wow, these are big poles and they're like slanted. Ugh. The base is big. I think I can take this hammer out now. I'm not sure. Okay, let me just slide it out like. Okay, just, slide it out. Okay, so this is the inside of it. And let me just slide it out. Oh God, let me try the other side. Wow. This is big. This module mechanism is biggest. Okay, here's the base. Wow, this is heavy and big. Okay, put this over here on the side. And then, oh, wow. Here's the 2 FDC adapter, or 6 volt. I don't know, maybe I could put this cardboard to the side, I think. Okay, now another boot. And then, oh my God, the saw. Wow. Look at this saw. This is big. Here's the wire. And the motor's right there to make it spin. But this is hefty. Wow. And then, now the mallet or the hammer. This is big. Definitely bigger than Wacky Moles. Wow. The metal texture. That's hollow. Wow. It has no holes, but it has that plastic lining. Oh, wow, that's big. I'm super excited to see that. And then now the shoulder piece to make him like hunched over. Next up we have this big neck. Okay, if I can take this out now. And wow. Okay. Well, it's not that big. It looks big. Wow. Okay. This is big. Here's the motion sensor. The arms. And this is the head piece. So, and this is the mechanism that spins them, because they can move side to side. Okay, I'm gonna lean this over here. Okay, yeah.
That's what we got. Buzzsaw.
Oh my God, this is Buzzsaw's head. Wow, he's a little squished, but wow. There we go.
We're going to put the head on now? You did that all by yourself. It's amazing.
How do I? Oh, there it is. Wait, what?
You need help?
No, I got it. Put the wire down there.
That's called Buzzsaw.
Yeah, now I'm gonna plug them in.
Okay, I'm ready.
First reactions live.
First reaction live.
He has to reset. He might be a little loud.
I've got a hammer, and I hammer in the evening all over this place.
His saw's gonna spin.
I hope so.
Did you see that? I saw that.
Mouth is, not moving that much, but let me turn the volume down a little. Buzzsaw, when we took his head out, his mouth wasn't moving that much, so we...
And who fixed it?
You? But listen, so his mask was a little loose, so my mom had to take clips and clip his mask back.
I gave him a facelift, didn't I?
Yeah, a tiny bit, like a tiny bit clip.
Mm-hmm.
And then now his mouth moves.
Okay, well, turn him on so we can see what he does.
Saw spins, okay.
We're really excited to see what Buzzsaw.
But let me turn the noise up a little bit. It's turned down.
Got a hammer,
This is the part that he
hammer in
doesn't do
the
anything.
evening all over this place.
Wait, watch this song.
Shh, shh, shh.
Watch this off.
Did you see that? I saw that.
I saw that.
When the saw spins, he says, I saw.
I get it. That's very funny. Ha ha, I saw that.